Yes, friends, please confirm, is it audible? Yes. Please write in the chat box. Okay, so a very good morning, all of you. Yes, वैकेंसीज भी आती हैं क्या कहीं? हाँ, yes, वीरेंद्र. Already, I will say, Punjab PPSC has advertised the vacancies for this JEE SDO, and many other states also like Rajasthan and many other. Okay, so these classes will go on. So this will be the schedule. So on Monday, Quant, Tuesday, Reasoning, Wednesday, GK or GS, I will say, and on Friday, you are having General English class. So these classes will be helpful for all of you who are going to appear in various state, I will say, assistant engineer, subdivisional engineer, junior engineer, and other posts. So these, I will say, these classes will be beneficial for those students who are preparing for these posts. Other than this, if you are preparing for any central government exam also, so these classes will definitely be beneficial. So please attend these classes. And as you know, today we are going to discuss, that is, I will say, calendars. So some more questions, I will say, on some 40 more questions, 40 more questions I am going to do for you here. And so that will be more than sufficient for you. I will say the calendar, the last class and this class will be more than sufficient. And in the description of this video, I will share this PDF also with you. So from there you can download this PDF, and along with this I will also share an assignment with you of calendar, from where you can practice the questions. Okay, so let's join. So जितने भी आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं उन्हें भी बोलिए ज्वाइन करने के लिए, और हम आज 40 और क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, for calendars. So last, those who have not attended last class of calendar can watch on this Yourpedia YouTube channel, so that is available. And after that, so in continuation with that class, we are going to proceed with some more questions on calendar today. Okay, So today we are going to discuss, that is, yes. So last time we have discussed the calendars, and this time also I am going to discuss some questions with you from the calendars. Yes. So this is assignment one now with us. So students, these questions I will say that these questions have been asked in various exams. I will say in previous year exams, and these questions have been taken from there only. So I will be giving you some time, and you can practice these questions, and we are going to solve these questions. So let's see. So first, let's try to do first. I will say for first five questions you can try. Yes, please try to solve first five questions. Okay, so let's discuss first question now. Day before yesterday was Wednesday. See, day before yesterday. Yes, please confirm. Is it audible now? So, students, make this, I will say, this line like this. So, this is, I will say, time sequence. So, day before yesterday was Wednesday. See, on this line, we can plot today, we can plot yesterday, and this will be day before yesterday. So, from today, you are going backwards. So, I will use a negative sign. And if you are going forward from today, so that will be tomorrow. आज के बाद जो कल होगा, so that will be tomorrow. आज से पहले जो कल था, that will be yesterday. So that is -1. Tomorrow will be +1. If you add +1 in today, so that will become tomorrow. And if you subtract -1 from today, so that will become yesterday. Okay. So that is yesterday, today, tomorrow, then a day after tomorrow. So that is परसों. परसों. ठीक है, day after tomorrow, so that is today plus 2. So can we write tomorrow as today plus 1? Yes or no? Yes, students. So see, like in questions of age, we are taking the present age as the reference. We were taking the present age as the reference, and we were adding and subtracting the number of years from the present age. So similarly, we will be having reference as today. Yesterday will be today minus 1. Yes, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Person. So that will be today. So that will be tomorrow plus 1. Day after tomorrow. So that is tomorrow plus 1. So that means today plus 1 plus 1. So that is today plus 2. So day after tomorrow will be today plus 2. Yes. Day after yesterday. Yes, students. So that is yesterday minus 1. Sorry, day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Yesterday से पहले कौन सा day था? So that is yesterday is today minus 1. Then day before, so that is today minus 1 minus 1. So that is today minus 2. So day before yesterday will be today minus 2. Day after tomorrow will be today plus 2. Yes or no, students? I think this is clear to you. Then I will say day after yesterday. Day after yesterday will be today or not? Yes, please let me know. Day after yesterday will be equal to today. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Yesterday के बाद क्या आने वाला है यार? आज ही तो आने वाला है. Yesterday जो बीत गया, पिछला दिन, उससे अगला दिन आज का दिन होगा. Yes or no? So similarly, day after yesterday, day after tomorrow. So these type, I will say, these type of phrases will be used in the questions of these. That is calendar. So I think you will be able to make out the answer from this. Yes. So this timeline is important. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So we will proceed in this direction, forward direction. And before yesterday, day before yesterday. So we will be, that is going backwards. So I think this will be clear to you. So again, this is a type of question. So I will say these questions are mainly based on the statements you are given with. The statements, the words you are given with. So their meanings are important for us. Their meanings are important for us. Okay. Then day before yesterday was Wednesday. Day before yesterday. So that means yesterday कब था? कल था. Day before yesterday. So day before yesterday will be today minus 2. Yesterday से भी पहले एक दिन. Today minus 2. So that was Wednesday. तो इसका मतलब आज का दिन क्या होगा? Wednesday plus 2. Thursday, Friday. आज क्या हुआ? Friday. हाँ जी. So when will Sunday be? When will Sunday be? Yes. So today Friday. So tomorrow will be Saturday, and day after tomorrow will be Sunday. Yes or no? So when will Sunday be? So that is the day after tomorrow. Yes or no, students? Yes or no, students? So that will be day after tomorrow. So I think you must be clear with this question. So like this, you can do these type of questions. Okay, students. So that was the first question. I think you must be clear with this. So first was C. Yes, please write in the chat box. Are you clear with the answer of C? Yes. Are we clear with first question? Answer is C. मतलब परसों, day after tomorrow. Next. If fifth date of a month is Tuesday, then what date will be 3 days after the third day, after the third Friday in the month? Yes. Again, question based on, I will say, that is statement. Okay, so let's do this also. Fifth date of a month, अगर कोई मंथ है उसमें जो फिफ्थ डेट है उस दिन ट्यूसडे है, ओके, देन व्हाट डेट विल बी 3 days आफ्टर द थर्ड फ्राइडे इन द मंथ. So first we need to find out the first Friday in that month. Then only we can tell about third Friday in the month. Then see, अगर 5 को ट्यूसडे है तो 4 को मंडे, 3 को संडे, 2 को सैटरडे और 1 को संडे होगा, सॉरी 1 को फ्राइडे होगा. फर्स्ट इज फ्राइडे, तो इसका मतलब जो फर्स्ट फ्राइडे आ रहा है यार वो फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ द मंथ को आ रहा है फर्स्ट फ्राइडे. 7-7 के डिफरेंस पे आएगा, 7-7 के डिफरेंस पे आएगा. तो फर्स्ट फ्राइडे अगर 1 को है, देन नेक्स्ट होगा 8 को, उससे नेक्स्ट कब होगा 15 को, उससे नेक्स्ट कब होगा 22 को, उससे नेक्स्ट कब होगा 29 को. तो इन डेट्स को फ्राइडे रहने वाला है. सो ऑन दीज डेट्स फ्राइडे विल फॉल ऑन इन दैट मंथ. नाउ so that will be third Friday. Third Friday is 15 of that. So third Friday will be 15th date of that month. Then what date will be 3 days after that? अब ये जो थर्ड फ्राइडे है इसके 3 दिन बाद 3 days आफ्टर, सो दैट विल बी 15th प्लस 3 days आफ्टर, सो दैट इज 18th. सो दैट इज 18th डेट को क्या होने वाला है, दैट इज 3 days आफ्टर थर्ड फ्राइडे. यस और नो? सो व्हाट डेट, सो दैट इज 18th डेट. 15th को होने वाला आपका थर्ड फ्राइडे और उससे 3 दिन बाद कौन सी डेट आने वाली है, 18th. यस और नो? डे कौन सा हो जाएगा, सैटरडे संडे मंडे. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? So your answer will be 18th. So second was option B. Yes. Please try to solve similarly third, fourth, and fifth. Ram was born on 29th Feb. See this question. So 29th Feb को राम का बर्थ होता है. He celebrated his birthday falling on exactly 29th Feb 2008 for the fourth time. तो यार राम ने चौथी बार फोर्थ टाइम अपना जो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया. राम सेलिब्रेटेड हिज बर्थडे फोर्थ टाइम, आई विल से, इन 2008. Then they are asking about when Ram, in which year he was born. See here now. So 29th Feb लीप ईयर रहा होगा, लीप ईयर रहा होगा या नहीं रहा होगा स्टूडेंट्स? यस और नो? तो अगर 29th फेब को हुआ और उसने बोला कि उसका जो फोर्थ बर्थडे था, फोर्थ बर्थडे वो आया 2008 में, 29th फेब 2008, तो हर 4 साल के बाद उसका बर्थडे आता है. हर 4 साल के बाद उसका बर्थडे आता है. तो थर्ड बर्थडे कब सेलिब्रेट किया होगा सर? सेम डेट 29th फेब, लीप ईयर में ही आएगी. इससे पहले वाला लीप ईयर कौन सा है? लीप ईयर बिफोर 2008, सो दैट इज 2004 ओनली. यस और नो? उससे सेकंड बर्थडे में बोलूं कब किया होगा? 2000 में किया होगा, 2000 again divisible by 400, century year, so we have to divide by 400. yes, फर्स्ट बर्थडे 1 साल का कब हुआ होगा? 1996 में। तो यार बोर्न कब हुआ होगा? 1992 में बोर्न हुआ होगा ना, इसका मतलब। यस और नो? तो 0 ईयर्स का कब था? 1992 में। सो माय आंसर विल बी 1992. So this type of question can be asked. So answer is, I will say option A, 1992. Yes or no, students? Yes, please write in the chat box if you are clear with this. Okay, so that is, I will say 1992. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Yes. Which among the following is a leap year? कौन सा लीप ईयर होगा? 1600, 1900, 1800, all of these. See, these all are century years. So don't try to divide by 4, try to divide by 400. Okay, so 19 is not divisible by 4, 18 is also not divisible by 4, but 16 is divisible. So answer will be A, 1600. Okay. Next, given that 25th Feb 2008 is Monday, what day is 2nd March of 2008? Yes, you can easily count, I think. So that can be easily counted. 25th Feb 2008 is Monday. So 2nd March. See now, why they have asked this question? Because 2008 February they are talking about. So that is 26th, 27, 28, 29 will also be present. 29th Feb. So February will be of 29th, and then there will be, I will say, March. 1st March. So 26th will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So on 1st March it will be Saturday, and on 2nd March it will be Sunday. So answer will be, that is, Sunday. Okay. So that was a question. Yes. Okay. So I think you can do this question. So these were the first 5 questions, friends. So now I am going to give you some more questions. So that is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes. So you can try to solve 6 to 10 now. Okay. So 5th was C, 4th was A, 3rd was A. Okay. So let's try to solve questions from 6 to 10 now. Yes. Please try to solve questions from 6 to 10. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Okay. Day before yesterday was Friday. So that means that is today minus 2 you are given with day before yesterday. So that is Friday. So that means today is Friday plus 2. So today is Sunday. Very easy. So sir, आज Sunday है. Then they are saying what day will be 2 days after the day after tomorrow. 2 days after the day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow. So first read day after tomorrow. So tomorrow will be Monday. Day after tomorrow will be Tuesday. So day after tomorrow is Tuesday. Now 2 days after day after tomorrow. So that is plus 2. So that is Thursday. So that is Thursday. So sixth is B. Yes or no, students? So answer will be Thursday. Yes, please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box. Okay. So let's discuss another question now. Hari remembers that his father's birthday is between 13th and 16th of June. Hari remembers that his father's birthday is between 13th and 16th of June. So that means 13th और 16th को नहीं है, 14th या 15th को हो सकता है. Whereas his sister remembers that their father's birthday is between 14th and 18th. Between 14th and 18th, that will be 15, 16, 17. On which day is their father's birthday, which both agree? So that will be the common date. Common date will be that is 15 and 15. So that will be 15th June. So that is 15th June. So answer will be 15th June. Yes. Please try to do 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay. So next question, I will say that will be important question for you. See, the next question I will say that is of second type. Next question is of second type, I will say. In this question, in second type question, I will say, in second type question, you are in first type, you are not given any reference here. So you calculated it from that is century leap years. Okay, that is 1200, 1600, 2000, 2400. So by using them, you calculated the days with the concept of odd days. Now here you are given some reference. In the year 1996, the Republic Day was celebrated on Friday. So this is a reference for us. That is, I will say 26th Jan 1996 is a Friday. So on which day was the Independence Day celebrated in 15th August 2000? So this is the question now. See here now. The reference is given to us already. Reference is given to us already, but we have to find out with the help of this reference the day on this date. This is the question now. Okay, so let's try to do this question. I will say on the board. So they have given us that 26th Jan 1996 Republic Day is a Friday. Then you have to find out 15th August, that is 2000, which day? This is the question, students. So this is eighth question for us. Okay, so let's try to find out. See, so 26 days have already been completed. And this is the year 1996. So this is a leap year. This is a leap year, students. Now this leap year consists of 366 days. 26 already passed. So you are now left with 340 days. Yes or no? So that is I am talking about 1996. तो 340 दिन बचे हैं 1996 ईयर में. Now we are more interested rather than days in 1996. We are more interested in 340 days. That is number of odd days in 340. So divide by, I will say, that is 1 week. That is number of days in 1 week. So that is 7 days. So that will be 7 for the 28 and 7 8 the 56. So 4 is the remainder. So that means 4 odd days will be there in 340 days. So in 1996, number of odd days, please write number of odd days. Please maintain this chart. So that is 4. Yes or no, students? So number of odd days will be 4. Now, as you know, Hanji, for 1997 also, and for I will say 1998 and 1999, number of odd days will be how much? 1 1 1. Yes or no, students? So there will be 4 odd days in 1996 and 1 odd day, ordinary year, ordinary year, ordinary year. So 97, 98, 99 are ordinary years. So they all will have, that is, 1 odd day each. So similarly in 2000 now, because we are entering in 2000 now. So in 2000, and we have to reach up to 15th August. On 15th August 2000, what day it will be? So we have to count that. So let's enter the year 2000. Let's count. 2000 is again, I will say, a century leap year because divisible by 400. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. 31 days, 29 Feb होगा. February will be of 29 days. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 15. Now you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 124. 4 into 31, 124. Then 30, 30, 60, 60 or 15, 75 plus 29. 9, 5, 14 or 4, 18. 3, 7, 10 or 2, 12. 1 or 1, 2. So that is 2 to 8. 2 to 8 days in 2000. So divide by 7, count the number of odd days. 7, 3 the 21. 7 to the 14. So remainder 18 minus 14 will be 4 odd days. So in 2000 also up to 15th August, so there will be 4 odd days. So I think you can count these 4 odd days now. Yes or no, students? So there will be total 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 11 odd days. 11 odd days will also comprise of 1 week, again divide by 7. So that means 11 odd days after divisible by 7 will give you 4 net odd days. Now add these 4 net odd days to Friday now. फ्राइडे में 4 दिन ऐड करो, सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे। मैंने कहां तक डेज लिए हैं? 15 अगस्त 2000 तक। तो इसका मतलब 15 अगस्त 2000 को कौन सा डे होगा? सो दैट इज ट्यूसडे। अगर 26 जनवरी, अगर 26 जनवरी 1996 को फ्राइडे था, तो 15 अगस्त 2000 को क्या रहा होगा? ट्यूसडे। सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन। तो मैं अब यहां पर ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि 26 जनवरी 1950 को एक्चुअल डे बताओ या 15 अगस्त 1947 को डे बताओ, बिकॉज मुझे रेफरेंस दिया हुआ है तो मुझे उसके हिसाब से ही चलना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, तो अगर 26, अगर आप रिपब्लिक डे 1996 में फ्राइडे को सेलिब्रेट करते हो, तो आप 2000 में इंडिपेंडेंस डे ट्यूसडे को सेलिब्रेट करोगे। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। So I think this question is also clear to you. So I will say this type of question is second type. First type in the last class we have already discussed. So this is a second type question. And third type, that is mainly on statement based: yesterday, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, today. So those are the questions on type 3. Okay, so this was, I think, eighth question for us. So eighth question solution is this. So option will be, so that is option A, Tuesday. Yes. Please check your answer. Are you getting Tuesday or not? Are you getting the number of odd days as 4 or not? So add 4 in Friday, so you will get Tuesday. So answer will be option A. Yes. Next question I will say. Suresh was born on 4th October 1999. Shashikant was born on 6 days before Suresh. The Independence Day of that year fell on Sunday. Which day was Shashikant born? Yes, this is the question now. Okay, so let's see. Let's see here now. Suresh was born on 4th October 1999. तो सुरेश का जो बर्थ हुआ था वो 4th October 1999 को हुआ था। शशिकांत वॉज बोर्न ऑन 6 डेज बिफोर सुरेश। तो सुरेश से 6 दिन पहले जो बर्थ होता है वो श्रीकांत का होता है। तो दैट मीन्स 4th October माइनस 6 डेज। तो 4 दिन तो अक्टूबर की सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पड़ेंगे, अक्टूबर के सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पड़ेंगे। यस और नो? देन September is of 30 days. Then that is 30 and 29. So 6 days before, so that will be 28 September. Yes or no? तो 6 दिन पहले अगर बर्थ हुआ है तो इसका मतलब 28 सितंबर को बर्थ हुआ था। किसका? शशिकांत का। यही बोला उसने। और उन्होंने क्या बोला है, एक रेफरेंस भी दिया हुआ है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे इसी ईयर का 1999 का संडे को आता है। तो दैट मीन्स कि 15 अगस्त 1999 को संडे था। ऑलरेडी सेट कर दिया उन्होंने, ऑलरेडी एक रेफरेंस दे दिया। वी आर गिवन विद दिस रेफरेंस। नाउ अब मुझे बताना है कि विच डे वॉज शशिकांत बोर्न। तो मुझे डे बताना है, 28 सितंबर को डे कौन सा था? यस और नो? नाउ सी, अगस्त इज ऑफ 31 डेज। तो इसका मतलब अगस्त में 16 डेज रह चुके हैं। तो सर डेज 16 किस में रह चुके हैं? अगस्त में। उसके बाद सितंबर में मुझे कौन सी डेट को डे निकालना है? 28 को। क्या 28 को इंक्लूड करेंगे? यस सर करेंगे। तो 16 प्लस 28, so that is 44 days. So divide 44 by 7 and count the number of odd days. 7 6 the 42, so that is 2. So that is 2 odd days. So that is 2 odd days. Yes or no, students? So that is 2 odd days. So this means we have to add 2 odd days to this reference. So your answer will come out to be, so that is Sunday plus 2 odd days, so that will be Tuesday. Yes or no? Yes or no? तो सर अगर 15 अगस्त 1999 को अगर संडे था तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि 16 डेज तो आपके अगस्त में है। 16 डेज किस में बचे हुए? अगस्त में, बिकॉज अगस्त इज ऑफ 31 डेज। देन आपको 28 सितंबर तक जाना है, तो 28 डेट मुझे इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा। 28 plus 16 will be 44. Divide by 4. So this will also comprise of some weeks. So that is 7 6 the 42. So there will be 6 weeks and 2 odd days. And these 2 odd days are important for us. Add these 2 odd days to Sunday, so that it will become Monday, Tuesday. तो इसका मतलब 28 सितंबर को क्या था? ट्यूसडे। तो शशिकांत का जो बर्थ हुआ था वो ट्यूसडे को हुआ था। सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। ओके, so let's discuss one more question, 10th question. If January 1 is a Friday, अगर 1st January Friday है, then what is first day of the month of March in a leap year? बता सकते हैं आप? Yes, please count this. Yes. So I think you must have done this question. So let's rub this. Let's erase this. Yes. Next question is, if January 1 is Friday, तो अभी यार लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ मार्च इन अ लीप ईयर। तो ये बात कर रहा है कि अगर फर्स्ट जनवरी फ्राइडे है तो लीप ईयर में, तो मान लो कि ये लीप ईयर है, तो ये बताओ मार्च का फर्स्ट डे क्या होगा? 1 मार्च को बताओ। और लीप ईयर की बात कर रहा है, तो अगर 1 जनवरी को फ्राइडे है तो इसका मतलब जनवरी में और कितने दिन बचे हुए हैं? 30। फेब अगर लीप ईयर की बात कर रहा है तो 29 डेज मुझे काउंट करने पड़ेंगे। 1 मार्च को निकालना है ना, तो 1 भी इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा। ऐड करो यार, टोटल डेज कितने बने? 60। डिवाइड करो 7 से, 7 8 द 56, 8 वीक्स बने और 4 ऑड डेज। मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? 4 ऑड डे। फ्राइडे में ऐड कर दो 4 ऑड डे। हाँ जी, सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे। तो 1 मार्च को क्या था? ट्यूसडे। Yes or no, students? So I think you must be clear with this. Okay, so let's do another question now. 11th question. I will say 11th is a good question. So please try to solve the 11th question now. If John celebrated his victory day on Tuesday, 5th January 1965, then when will he celebrate his next victory day on the same day? So this is the question now. तो अगर यार जॉन ने अपना विक्ट्री डे ट्यूसडे को सेलिब्रेट किया है ऑन 5th जनवरी 1965, तो एक डेट भी दे दी है मुझे, ईयर दे दिया है, तो ये बताओ नेक्स्ट विक्ट्री डे ऑन द सेम डे, ट्यूसडे ही होना चाहिए, ट्यूसडे ही होना चाहिए, 5th जनवरी होना चाहिए, ईयर कुछ और हो सकता है। ओके, तो ये बताइए कब होगा। 1970 में होगा ट्यूसडे, 71 में होगा, 73 में होगा, 74 में होगा। अगेन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी हैव ऑलरेडी आई विल से डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट क्लास। सेम ईयर वाला क्वेश्चन जैसे हमने किया था, काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ ओड डेज। यस, स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। 5th जैन 1965, सी वेरी इजी, सो दैट इज ट्यूसडे। सर जैन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो फेब आएगा बीच में, फेब विल कम इन बिटवीन। 5th जैन 1966, 1965 एक ऑर्डिनरी ईयर है, 1965 is an ordinary year, so we have to add one odd day in Tuesday, so 5th Jan 1966 को क्या होने वाला है, वेडनेसडे, क्योंकि इसमें 65 में जो फेब आया दैट इज ऑफ 28 डेज। नाउ 5th Jan 1967, 1966 again is a ordinary year, normal year, so again February was of 28 days, so we will add one odd day, so Wednesday plus one, so that will become Thursday. Yes or no, students? Okay. Similarly, 5th Jan 1968. So 1967 was Thursday. Then 1967 is again an ordinary year. February is of 28 days. So please add one odd day. So Thursday plus one will be Friday. 5th Jan 1969. Again catch is here. Please see the catch. 5th Jan 1968. जब इससे आगे आप बढ़ोगे तो 29th Feb will come. So 68 is divisible by 4. So 1968 was a leap year. So we will have to add two odd days because 1966 will 1968 will have 366 days. Two odd days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5th Jan 1970. Because 69 was an ordinary year, Feb is of 28 days. So we have to add one odd day. So that will be Monday. And now our answer comes 5th Jan 1971, because 1970 is an ordinary or normal year, so we have to add one odd day, that is Tuesday. So that is Tuesday. So 5th Jan 1971 will again be Tuesday. So answer was B option. So answer was B option. So I think students you must be clear with this question also. Yes or no? Okay. So you are clear with this question. Okay, students. So you can check the solution. Okay, so let's proceed to next question now. Let's try to solve 12 to 16 now. Let's try to solve 12 to 16. Same question, 12th, I will say. Yes. Same question I will say as you have done earlier. So, Mrs. Sushila celebrated her wedding anniversary on Tuesday, 30th September 1997. 30th September 1997. Good question, I will say again. See here now. 30 सितंबर। अब ये बताओ कि ट्यूसडे को दोबारा से कौन से ईयर में वो अपनी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करेगी मिसेस सुशीला। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नाउ। तो 30 सितंबर 1997 वाज ट्यूसडे। So in between we will be having that is February 1998 and that will be having that is 28 days. So that means so that is only one odd day in between. तो 30th सितंबर 1998 को वेडनेसडे होने वाला है। देन 30 सितंबर 1999 को क्या होने वाला है। इसमें क्या आएगा अब फेब 1999 आएगा बीच में। सो अगेन ऑर्डिनरी ईयर सो वन ओड डे सो दैट विल बी थर्सडे। देन 30 September 2000. Now the catch is here. From 30 September 1999 to 30 September 2000, again February comes, that is of, I will say 29th Feb 2000 will come. Because 2000 is a leap year, century leap year, again divisible by 400. So we have to add two odd days in between. So it will become Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 30 September 2000 will become Saturday. Now 30 September 2001. So again Feb 2001 will come. So again 28 days. So that is one odd day. So that is Sunday. Saturday plus one, Sunday. We have to reach Tuesday now. 30 September 2002. Again, I will say Feb 2002 will come in between. So that will be of 28 days. So that will one odd day we have to add. So that is Monday. Then 30 September 2003. 2002. Again Feb 2003 will come. So that is one odd day. So that is Tuesday. Yes or no? So 30 September 2003 will be Tuesday again. Yes or no, students? So answer is that is 30 September 2003. Yes, please write in the chat box. Are we clear up to first 12 questions? So in first 12 question, we try to discuss, I will say that is type 2 and type 3 questions. Day before yesterday was Thursday. Day before, see, there is before, yesterday. Today is this. Yesterday is this. Today minus 1. Day before yesterday. So that is today minus 2. So that is Thursday. Day before yesterday is Thursday. So that is today minus 2. So today is Thursday plus 2. So today is Thursday plus that is Friday, Saturday. So today is Saturday. When will Sunday be? So आज अगर Saturday है तो Sunday कब होगा? That is tomorrow. So answer is tomorrow. So option will be C. Yes or no, students? Again, a easy question, I will say. Yes, 15th now. If the day before yesterday was Sunday, what day will it be 3 days after the day after tomorrow? So I think you can solve these type of questions. So day before yesterday. So again, today minus 2 we are given with. So that is Sunday. So that is today is Sunday plus 2. So that is Tuesday. So आज अगर मंगलवार है, what day will it be 3 days after? After me is important. Later. 3 days after the day after tomorrow. Yes, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? So that is today plus 2. Tomorrow is today plus 1. So day after tomorrow will be today plus 2. So that is Tuesday plus 2, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days after day after tomorrow. So Thursday plus 3. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So answer will be Sunday. So answer will be Sunday. Okay. So answer is Sunday. So I think you must be clear with this question. So similarly, you can do these type of questions. So I am taking again, I will say, yes, please try to solve 18th question. This assignment I will provide you in the description. You can solve this. Now we are solving some important questions from this assignment. So let's try to solve 18th question now. Day after tomorrow is Kiran's birthday. On the same day next week falls Shivratri. Today is Monday. What will be the day after Shivratri? This is the question now. So some festival can also be given to you. Some festival can also be given to you. So अगर day after tomorrow is Kiran's birthday and today is Monday, on the same day next week falls Shivratri. Today is Monday. What will be the day after Shivratri? So that means अगर आज मंडे है, टुडे दे दिया उसने, तो डे आफ्टर टुमारो क्या होता है? दैट इज टुडे प्लस 2. तो परसों क्या है? टुडे प्लस 2, मंडे प्लस 2, सो दैट इज वेडनेसडे. तो वेडनेसडे को किरण का बर्थडे है. वेडनेसडे, ऑन वेडनेसडे देयर इज किरण's बर्थडे. ऑन द सेम डे, दैट इज वेडनेसडे नेक्स्ट वीक फॉल्स शिवरात्रि. ठीक है, ऑन द सेम डे नेक्स्ट वीक. तो इसका मतलब वेडनेसडे को शिवरात्रि है नेक्स्ट वीक में. What will be the day after Shivratri? So that is Wednesday plus 1. That is Thursday. So answer will be Thursday. So 19th, I think you can do. Yes. 22nd. If Friday is the first day of a non-leap year, we have already discussed this question. What day would be the last day of that year be? See, non-leap year, so that is ordinary year. Friday is first day of ordinary year. So that means 364th day will be Thursday. Because 364 is divisible by 7. So again, last day, 365th day will be, that is Friday again. So last day will be Friday, same day. First and last day of an ordinary year is same. We have discussed in the last class also. First and last day of an ordinary or normal year is same, so that is Friday. Okay, so next also you can try on your own. So these questions are like this only. I have discussed these questions with you. Yes. If Friday falls on 15th of September 2000, what will be the day on 15th of September 2001? Yes. Please give me answer for this question. Yes. अगर 15 सितंबर 2000 को फ्राइडे था, so this is again I will say a good question. So 15th of September 2001. See, now in this, the important is that Feb 2001 will come in between, and that will be of 28 days only. So that means we are going to add only one odd day in this rather than two odd days, because February will be of 28 days. We are going to add only one odd day. So Friday plus one odd day will become Saturday. So your answer will be option B. Okay, so that was Saturday. Again, day before yesterday was Thursday. What will be 4 days after tomorrow? 3 days after today is Tuesday. 4 days before yesterday. So you can find out today. You can find out today, and accordingly you can add the number of days or subtract the number of days. So these type of questions will be there. Yes, please try to solve 30-second question. If third Friday of a month is 16th, what date is fourth Tuesday of that month? Yes, please try to solve this question. Yes, third Friday is 16th. Third Friday is 16th. So we can find out second and first Friday also. So you can subtract 7. थर्ड फ्राइडे अगर 16th को है तो 9th को सेकंड रहा होगा, और सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 अगेन, और सेकंड को फर्स्ट रहा होगा. ठीक है, तो 9th और सेकंड, फर्स्ट फ्राइडे 2 को रहा, 9th को सेकंड फ्राइडे रहा, और 16th को थर्ड फ्राइडे रहा उस मंथ का. ओके, सो दैट मींस फॉर अस द इंपॉर्टेंट इज कि सर फर्स्ट को उस मंथ में डे क्या था. तो फर्स्ट को उस मंथ में जो डे था, सो दैट इज थर्सडे. सो दैट इज थर्सडे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट फोर्थ ट्यूसडे नाउ. तो अगर फर्स्ट को थर्सडे है, दैट मींस एट्थ को भी थर्सडे होगा. इसका मतलब एट्थ को भी थर्सडे होगा. नाउ वी आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्यूसडे नाउ. तो दैट मींस सिक्स, सेवंथ को वेनसडे रहा होगा, और सिक्स को क्या रहा होगा, ट्यूसडे. तो फर्स्ट ट्यूसडे सिक्स को होगा स्टूडेंट्स, फिर 13th, फिर 20, फिर 27. तो फर्स्ट ट्यूसडे सिक्स को आया, सेकंड ट्यूसडे 13th को आया, थर्ड ट्यूसडे 20th को आया, फोर्थ ट्यूसडे 27th को आया. तो यही चार पॉसिबल है. What date is the fourth Tuesday of that month? So that is 27th only. So my answer will be option C. Okay, students. So today is Friday. On the last Monday, the date was this. The date today is. बता सकते हैं आप लास्ट मंडे को अगर ये डेट था तो आज क्या डेट होगा अगर आज फ्राइडे है तो. Yes, please try to solve 33rd question also. Very easy question. लास्ट मंडे, अभी पिछले मंडे की बात हो रही है. सो दैट इज 29th, आई विल से 29th December 1975. ऑन द लास्ट मंडे, तो ये डेट थी 29th December 1975 को मंडे था और आज फ्राइडे है और मुझे आज की डेट बतानी है. तो रेफरेंस मेरे लिए ये है, पिछले मंडे की बात हो रही है, लास्ट मंडे जो अभी गया है, तो इससे आगे बढ़ना स्टार्ट करो यार. ट्यूसडे को क्या हो जाएगा 30 दिसंबर, ट्यूसडे इज 30th दिसंबर, 31st दिसंबर 75 की बात कर रहा हूं. So that is Wednesday only. Yes or no? Then, sir, I have to enter in the year 1976 also. So that is first, second, that is Thursday will be, I will say 1st January 1976 and Friday जो कि आज है today, so that will be 2nd January 1976. So that will be 2nd January 1966 and that will be your option C. So I think you can do this question like this. So reference we were given with 29th December 1975 को मंडे था, तो मुझे बता आज फ्राइडे है तो आज का मुझे डेट बताना. ईयर विल चेंज ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज दिसंबर वाज गिवन टू अस. ओके, so 34th is again I will say 2 days before yesterday is Friday. What will be the 2 days after tomorrow? You can solve this. Tell the number of days from 26th January 2006 to 23rd September 2006 including both dates. Of course you can count. Of course you will count. If the day after tomorrow is Tuesday, what will be 2 days after day after tomorrow? Yes, you can solve. If 15th June falls 3 days after tomorrow, that is Friday, on what day will the last of the month fall? Yes. Please see, there are only, I will say 42 questions. So I am going to finish this assignment. I will say the different types of question. I have tried to explain myself only, and the other questions you can practice on your own. I will share this assignment. So I think last 5 minutes, we will discuss some more questions from this. So please try to solve 37th question. 15th June falls 3 days after tomorrow. So that is a Friday. So that is Friday. On what day will the last of the month fall? See now 15th June falls 3 days after tomorrow. So that is Friday. So for tomorrow, Friday is used. That is Friday. So कल Friday है तो आज क्या है Thursday और tomorrow क्या है उन्होंने already दिया हुआ. So that is Friday. 3 days after tomorrow. So that is Friday plus 3. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. तो Monday को 15th June है. On what day will the last of the month fall? Yes. तो ये बताओ जो लास्ट डेट है जून में, सो दैट इज 30th जून को कौन सा डे होगा? This is the question. Yes or no, students? ओके, सो इसका मतलब सर 22 और 22 और 29, सो दैट इज +7 22 और 29 को भी मंडे रहने वाला है और 30th को क्या रहने वाला है, ट्यूसडे। आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी। ओके, सो 23rd of a month is Sunday. What day it would have been 2 weeks and 4 more days earlier? Of course, you have to subtract. That is 14 and 4. So that is 18 days you have to subtract in this question. So I think you can find out. You can solve 38th also. And similarly, you can do 39th question also. 15th August 9, I will say 1988 was Wednesday. On what day was it celebrated in the year 1989? Of course, you can count and you can solve this by odd days method only. So I think you can count the number of days in between and you can solve this question again. Now see 41, 42 and 40, 41 and 42. You can try to solve this. Yes, please try to solve 40, 41, 42. Yes, Sanam. I will share the answers also. Yes, please try to solve the last three questions. Okay. So I think this question can also be solved. 1988 15th अगस्त आपको डे दिया हुआ है, तो 15th अगर 1989 को बता सकते हो. 23rd ऑफ द मंथ इज संडे, सो 2 वीक और 4 दिन पहले कौन सा डे था, तो ये भी क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो इसका मतलब that is, I will say, that is 14 days and 4 days, that is 18 days. So 23rd minus 18, so you have to find out the day on 5th of that month. I think you can easily do. So 23rd, I will say, again 16 will be Sunday, 9 will be Sunday. So how much on I that is 5th, that is 9th is again Sunday. So 8th will be Saturday, 7th will be, that is, I will say, Friday, 6th will be Thursday, and 5th will be uh, I think that is Wednesday. So answer should be Wednesday for this. Yes. So answer would be Wednesday. So similarly, you can subtract 18 days from this. Of course, you can count the number of days. 15th August 1989 you have to consider. Now, reaching a place of appointment on Friday. Now see the question now. एक आपने एक जगह अपॉइंटमेंट ली है ऑन फ्राइडे. आई फाउंड आउट दैट आई वाज 2 days अर्लियर देन द शेड्यूल्ड डे. ठीक है, कि मैं 2 दिन पहले पहुंच गया. शेड्यूल्ड क्या था मेरा? फ्राइडे. सो आई रीच 2 days अर्लियर. सो 2 days अर्लियर, सो दैट मीन्स I reached 2 days earlier than the scheduled day. So that is Friday minus 2. So that is Wednesday. तो आप Wednesday को पहुंच गए. If I had reached on the following Wednesday, then how many days late would I have been? This is the question. Okay. Oh, थोड़ा सा इसमें चेंज है स्टूडेंट्स. दोबारा से रीड करो इस क्वेश्चन को. रीचिंग अ प्लेस ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट ऑन फ्राइडे. सर मैं एक जगह पर फ्राइडे को पहुंचा. I find out that I was 2 days earlier than the scheduled day. So इसमें इंटरप्रेट थोड़ा ध्यान से करिए. मैं फ्राइडे को पहुंच गया हूं एंड आई वाज सेइंग कि मैं 2 दिन पहले पहुंच गया हूं देन द शेड्यूल्ड डे. सो दैट मींस द शेड्यूल्ड डे, अगर मैं 2 दिन पहले पहुंच गया हूं तो शेड्यूल्ड डे क्या रहा होगा? संडे. यस और नो? तो संडे में से अगर 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तभी तो फ्राइडे आऊंगा. यस और नो? तो शेड्यूल्ड डे इज संडे. सो ही इज गिविंग द स्टेटमेंट कि वो reaching a place of appointment on Friday, I found out that I was 2 days earlier than the scheduled day. Sunday को पहुंचना था पर Friday को पहुंच गया हूं. 2 दिन पहले पहुंच गया हूं. If I had reached on the following Wednesday, how many days late would I have been? Following, आने वाला Wednesday, coming Wednesday. So that is, of course, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. तो आप 3 दिन लेट हो जाओगे. So Sunday plus 3 will be Wednesday. So that is 3 days late. How many days late? So that is 3 days late. So he would have been late by 3 days. Yes or no, friends? So he would have been late by 3 days. Again same question. Anil reached a place on Friday. एक Friday को पहुंच गया अनिल एक जगह पर. He came to know that he was 3 days earlier than the scheduled day. अनिल फ्राइडे को पहुंच गया, बाद में उसे पता लगता है he was 3 days earlier than the scheduled day. कि सर वो 3 दिन पहले आ गया है. सो दैट मीन्स सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे. शेड्यूल्ड डे तो मंडे था पर वो आ फ्राइडे गया है. इफ ही हैड रीच्ड देयर ऑन द फॉलोइंग संडे, हाउ मेनी डेज लेट और अर्ली ही वुड हैव बीन? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नाउ. यस, अगर वो संडे की बात कर रहा है, फॉलोइंग संडे, ठीक है. इफ ही हैड रीच्ड देयर ऑन द फॉलोइंग संडे, फ्राइडे को पहुंचा और वो आप बात कर रहा है संडे की. ठीक है, पहुंचना था मंडे को. ठीक है, अगर वो बोल रहा है कि अगर वो संडे को पहुंच जाता, हाउ मेनी डेज लेट और अर्ली ही वुड हैव बीन? सो दैट मीन्स अगर सर वो संडे को भी आता तो वो एक दिन पहले आ जाता, 1 डे अर्लियर. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? सो दैट इज 1 डे अर्लियर. तो ऑफकोर्स एक दिन पहले पहुंच जाता उसके बावजूद वो. तो फॉलोइंग जो उसने स्टार्टिंग में दे रखा है उससे जो नेक्स्ट जो डे की बात कर रहा है वो, तो ऑफकोर्स अगर संडे भी आता तो एक दिन पहले पहुंचता। इफ 9th ऑफ द मंथ फॉल्स ऑन द डे प्रीसीडिंग संडे, on what day will first of the month fall? See, one other important word here is that is precede. Precede means before. Day before Sunday will be Saturday. तो अगर 9 तारीख सैटरडे को आती है तो ये बताओ फर्स्ट कब आएगी? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन। अगर 9 सैटरडे को आता है तो इसका मतलब सेकंड को भी सैटरडे आएगा, -7 करो यार। सर सेकंड को भी सैटरडे ही रहने वाला है, सेकंड ऑफ दैट मंथ। तो इसका मतलब फर्स्ट को क्या आने वाला है? दैट इज फ्राइडे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ दैट मंथ विल बी फ्राइडे। On what day will first of month fall? So that is Friday. So answer is Friday. Yes, students. So these were the questions that I have discussed with you, and I will say so. These questions have appeared in various exams, different exams, and the last class, that is class 1, and this is class 2. In class 2, basically I have tried to cover type 2 and type 3 questions, and in class 1 I have covered type 1 question. Okay, and these two classes will be more than sufficient for you to cover the calendar in detail. So I am uploading this assignment also, which I have discussed along with some more questions, so you can practice these questions. Okay, and these will be more than sufficient. Okay, so I think students, आज का lecture आपको समझ में आया होगा. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow again for a GS class, GK class, and then on Friday we will go for general English. Okay, so till then, keep watching your PDF, keep preparing. Thanks once again. Yes, clock bhi hoga Sanam. All chapters we will do. All chapters we will do in which students are facing problems, and we are going to do lots of question on that, so that you can आप easily कर सके उन questions को. ठीक है? So you will be well aware of the questions, the type of questions that have been asked in the exam or that can be asked in the exam also. So these classes will be more than sufficient for any of the exam, and we are going to take the difficult chapters first, in which students are facing problem. I'm saying that from clock, calendar, and counting the figures and non-verbal, the questions that come that are hardly one or two from each chapter. Okay, but we need to cover them, but we still have to cover them. Okay, so through these classes I am going to take those chapters on which there are no I will say uh, no more classes available. Okay, so we will try to cover these chapters in detail. Okay, so thank you students, keep preparing, keep watching your PDF. Thanks once again. Yes, first class already on this your pedia YouTube channel. You can watch that, and along with that you can download the assignment from, I will say, description of these videos from Google Drive, and you can practice these questions. Okay, thanks here.